Whatever happened to Eckers?
10 years we waited to have kids, 10. We had cats during that 10 years. Lots of cats. Don't know why we had so many cats, but we had plenty of cats and plenty to go around. They would just literally show up at our door, knock on our house and say, hey, we heard you had cats here and we would like to live here too. So eventually we had 2 amazing boys, and I love our boys. But these turn into this, and we cannot forget about this. Which means the first 10 years of our marriage, we had fur in our house, but now we've got lots and lots of hair, and that hair goes down. A quick word about traditional drain cleaners. Just think about this. If everybody is putting crazy acidic, eat everything away chemicals down their drains, that adds up. Preventative. Better for the environment, better for your home. Long story short, we're here now. The boys are bigger. We're in a different house, and this has happened, and this has happened, and of course, this has happened. And I got tired of doing this. If you don't know what this is, I'll leave the link to the video in the description, but it's actually a really good way to clean all the stuff out of your drains every once in a while. But this is not a preventative. This is something that I have to keep doing because hair keeps going down the drain. So what happened was I was in the warehouse at billyGO one day. By the way, this is a good time to mention if you live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, just billyGO for HVAC and plumbing. Just go, don't waste your time anymore. Just go straight to the best. Fast, fair, fixed, simple, family owned, no dispatch fees, no salespeople, just very, it's about your time. So I'm down at the warehouse at billyGO. I'm talking to one of the plumbing technicians and I'm telling him about my problem with having to suck the hair out of the drain all the time. And he said, you need this, Bio 1. It is a probiotic for your entire plumbing system. Now, probiotic, I'm very familiar with because I've had stomach problems since I was a little kid. And it's better to be preventative, fix the stuff in your gut health, and you don't have to take the Tums anymore. Drains on your tubs, drains on your sinks, drains on your showers. It's just a system of pipes that's going somewhere and they get clogged. It's just as simple as that. It's not the hair that was the problem. It was the fact that there were things in the pipe already growing inside the pipe that the hair is getting stuck on. You need to take care of your pipes, he says, with this so that the hair doesn't get stuck anymore. Preventative. You're treating your pipes so that the hair slippy slides through and it doesn't get caught on anything. And I don't have to do as much, if any, of this anymore. In my situation, slow drain, it would be 2 ounces a day for 5 days. And then from there on, once your drains are clear, preventative maintenance would be 2 ounces a month per drain. Easy. Here's just one caveat to this baby. It's gonna take a little bit longer, but that's because it's not eat away everything acid. It's organic, takes a little bit more time, but once you get everything cleaned out, it's nothing but maintenance and it's safe. Thank you guys so much. Hope this helped you out today. Thanks for liking and subscribing and sharing the billyGO channel. We're here to help you. If we're not helping you, then what in the world are we doing? Hope this helps. See you soon.